Welcome to AHQ Tutorials. Today, we'll walk you through using the test management features in AHQ, including adding and managing epics, test stories, and test scripts. We'll also cover using the local agent to run and debug your tests. Start by navigating to the test management and select test scripts. AHQ provides two views for managing test scripts: default view and compact view. The default view offers a detailed look of each test scripts, while the compact view provides a streamlined, organized layout for quicker browsing. Now to add an epic, click the test scripts drop-down and select epics. Then click Add New Epics. Enter the epic's name and a brief description, then click Save to create your new epic. Epics allow you to categorize related test stories and scripts under a single umbrella. To edit an epic, look for the epic you want to edit, and at the right corner, click the three dots, then select Edit. Now you can make any necessary changes. Once done, click Save. To delete an epic, click the three dots and click Delete. Remember, deleting an epic will also remove all associated test stories and test scripts. But for now, we're not going to delete this epic just yet because we're going to use it for the story that we're about to make. To add stories, click on the test scripts drop-down and select Stories, then click Add New Story. Fill in the test story details. In Epics, select the epic that we recently created, story name, and summary of the story, then click Save. Test stories represent individual testing scenarios under the epic. To edit a test story, hover over it, and at the right corner, click the three dots, then select Edit. Make your updates and click Save. To delete a test story, click the three dots, select Delete, and confirm. Keep in mind that deleting a test story will also remove any test scripts linked to it. But for now, we're not going to delete this story just yet because we're going to use it to organize the test script that we're about to make. Now we can move on to how to manage test scripts. But first, you have to open the AHQ local agent so you can be able to run your automated test script. To add test scripts, click on the Test Scripts drop-down and select Test Scripts, then click Add New Test Script. First, fill out the details needed for the name. You can leave the status and not started since we're just about to start. Label, application, and for the story, select the story we recently created. There's also the description text box for more detailed instructions for the test script. We will be following the steps of this test case to create and showcase how easy and powerful automation testing could be, and to also guide you on how to operate a test script. And now let's start adding the test steps for your test script. There are many test steps you can choose just by dragging and dropping the steps you need from this section to the test steps section. This method makes it fast to create complex test flows with minimal effort. Step 1. Go to the desired website, https://automationhq.ai/demosite1/. You can search the test steps here. Now search for Open Web Browser. This test step will allow you to open your desired website just by entering its link. Enter the link of desired website. Step 2. Navigate to Login page. Search for Mouse over UI Locator. Mouse over UI Locator is a test step just like hovering a mouse over the selected element. Set the element to Dashboard. Click UI Locator is a test step that will click the selected element as it appeared. Set the element to Login button. Step 3. Enter username and password, then click Login button. Enter text for the UI Locator is a test step that inputs a text to a selected text box element. Create 2 of this test step for email and password credentials. Enter the credentials and set the elements. Insert another Click UI Locator to click the Login button, Then set the element to Login button. Step 4. Verify correct user. Verify current URL contains path text is a test step that will verify if the entered text in the test step matches the current URL of the application. By this step, you can also verify if the credentials are correct and the login succeeded. Now enter the destined link when the login succeeded. Add a wait test step to wait for the number of seconds you enter before the app closes. Once your test script is ready, make sure that you open AHQ Local Agent first before you run the test script. Once AHQ Local Agent is running in the background, you can run the test script by clicking the Run with Local Agent button to execute the script on your local machine, ensuring it works as expected in your environment. An incognito window will appear immediately and perform the automation you've created. At the top, it will tell you that this action is being performed by automation software. Now we'll try to input wrong credentials to receive an error. If your test script encounters an error, AHQ makes it easy to debug. Review the error message to identify which step failed. Make the necessary adjustments to fix the issue. Then save your changes and rerun the script to confirm it's working properly. Once everything is good to go, set the status to ready and click Save. To duplicate a test script, click the 3 dots and select Duplicate. This is especially helpful when creating multiple scripts with similar structures, as it saves time and effort. And that's it. You're now ready to manage epics, test stories, and test scripts within AHQ's test management module. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more AHQ tutorials and visit our Help Center for additional support.